Hello and welcome to another episode of Talks with Arun on Health and Wellness. We have Arun with us to answer queries around some of the most pressing health concerns that we all face these days. So, first of all, Arun, thank you for being here. Now, without wasting any time, let me ask you our today's question. There has been a rise in cases of people suffering from chronic inflammation. Now, what do you think that these people should do or our viewers should do to make a change in their lifestyle or their exercise or anything that they need to take care about to cure chronic inflammation and autoimmune disorders?
So happy to be back. When we are dealing with a modern medical problem with the language of modern medicine, then I have to translate this for the people who come to me. So first of all, I have to make people understand that in yoga, in traditional science, we look at health as much as we look at disease. Very importantly, if we are looking at therapy, we are looking at treatment, then a proper medical method is what is required. But if you are looking at health, then yoga is a wonderful science to practice. So that's the first thing. The second, I mostly tell people when things look and sound very complicated, especially from a modern biology point of view, to not think so much about the investigation of disease, but to start thinking about how to cultivate health. It's a little bit like how to get a good garden. We can start from the point of view of how to eliminate the weeds, or we can start looking at how to hoe the garden, how to till the soil, how to put the right kind of manure, and how to prevent the infusion of insects and so on, and then provide the right nurturing, including watering, to the seeds that we plant. So yoga is like that. It is the nurturing of your physical and mental and emotional garden. Wonderful positive steps that yoga can give us to make our health better. So the first step is the practice of yoga itself, and in the modern world we know yoga as hatha yoga, which is the physical practices. That itself will start reducing chronic inflammation, and it will address the issue of the autoimmune disorder. How that happens is that the practice of asana, the practice of pranayama, the practice of Surya Namaskar harmonizes the human body. It brings the body back into balance. It brings the body back to what is called homeostasis. The endocrine system starts to function normally. The stress which is breaking down our ability to be normal, that reduces. The happy hormones, the endorphins that are getting highly pressurized because of stress, that starts to get produced in the human body. You and I start to relax when we practice yoga. How long will it take? Sometimes people ask me. Well, begin with the first day. Let's have a look. Maybe it will take 15 days. Maybe it will take a month. Maybe it will take 3 months to show results. But definitely, you will see a positive change in your health, including the specific conditions of the autoimmune disorder and chronic inflammation. Parallelly, to help you to improve the effect of yoga, it's very good to have a sattvic diet. Sattvic diet is basically a vegetarian diet which is fresh and light. And lastly, very important, to know that it is the lack of rest, physical, mental and emotional rest, that is causing the breakdown of the human body. Find the best ways in your own life to take rest. Take personal rest, social rest, rest from every kind of activity that you can think of, and reduce your footprint. The less burdens that you carry from the past and the plans and strategies of the future, you will immediately start noticing the effect on your overall health. I hope this helps. Thank you.
And that concludes another episode of Talks with Arun on Health and Wellness. I hope this episode helped you in answering few of your questions and put you on path of wellness. If you like this episode, do press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends, family or anyone who can benefit from the same. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have additional queries, post them in the comment box and we'll be more than happy to address them in our future episodes. Till then, stay well. Namaste.